All right, welcome back to Peanut Garage. So I have been invited to partake in the six-pack challenge. So what the six-pack challenge is my mate Lee from GRUDGE and you know this fella, Twisty from Twisted Metal Customs, have been talking about doing a drag race challenge kind of thing with a couple of smaller YouTubers. So I've been invited. Also Nathan from PATINA has been invited as well. So it's going to be a 1/8 drag mile, 1/8 mile drag, and we haven't quite figured out the dates, but we're probably going to be down at Warwick at the back end of this year. So Twisty has called out Lee, his jail bar versus Lee's WB. So I'm calling out Nathan from PATINA, and it's going to be HX versus HX, or two-door versus two-door. So Nathan reckons he's been talking a bit of shit. He reckons he's going to have something in store for me. So we're going to get this thing up and running, and I've got something a little bit spicy. So if you want to partake, subscribe to each of our channels. We're going to be updating through the rest of the year, and once the date's confirmed, we'll lock it in and we'll let you all know. So you guys can challenge your mates. Winner gets a six-pack. That's why it's called the six-pack challenge. So, by the way, Nathan, I drink Gentleman Jack, so I'll take a 4-pack. All good. So please subscribe to each one of these guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you at the drag strip. Cheers.